Hey beauties! Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. It is Riri.
And Junior.
And it is the January BoxyCharm by Ipsy and the OG Ipsy Glam bag. I get my bag and box super early, so I'm super excited. I will read off what our theme is for January, and we're going to dive right on in. If you're unfamiliar with the OG Ipsy Glam bag, it is $14 monthly for 5 items and a cosmetics bag. And the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, the Ipsy Charm, Ipsy if you're listening, Ipsy Charm would have been a fantastic name. This is $30 monthly for 5 full-size items, and the January theme is Glow Your Soul. Soft launch the new year by getting relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Nourish your skin, play with color, practice Everdeen.
She about to need to practice her words here in a second.
Practice kindness to yourself and to others, and make sure you feel pampered every day, because the path to getting that glow, both inside and out, starts now. And typically in your own box, it would have a little card with all of your product deets and stuff like that. Clearly, I don't have that. Again, this is gifted from Ipsy, so thank you to Ipsy. Roy's gonna go into our OG Glam bag, and this is our first sneak peek of anything, y'all. If y'all don't like spoilers, this is not the video for you, honey.
Because we're about to spoil everything.
Yeah. We got our little card.
Turns out it's the same thing. Glow your soul.
I like the theming.
Oh, that's pretty.
That is really nice.
That is really pretty.
Oh, okay. Starting off with a bang. That bag is beautiful.
It's got sequins all over it.
Nice. Very nice.
All right.
Ooh. Ooh.
It's a big palette.
Look, y'all. I'm already seeing some good stuff now. Some real good stuff.
All right.
Okay. Love the bag. Starting off with a bang. Does it feel soft? Ooh,
it feels really soft, yeah.
All right, first up we have bubble wrap, and y'all know that's a real good sign when we get bubble wrap.
This is a Lucky Chick palette. Not a palette. What is it?
Yeah.
How do you open it?
The Daydreams eyeshadow palette by Lucky Chick.
There you go. Ooh.
Cute. A very soft, neutral, cool tone leaning palette. That is nice. The Lucky Chick lip scrub that was in last month's PR and I got it in my paid for bag was great. Like, we both really thought that was awesome.
This is a really solid palette too. Like,
that's cute, y'all. Super, super cute. That does feel nice.
It's a strong, that's strong. Yeah.
Starting off with a bang, y'all.
This one is a Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask.
Oh, yes. That's by Aceology. Ooh. We've gotten lots of products from them. It's trying to focus on me.
Oh, good lord. There you go.
There we go.
There we go.
Sorry, y'all. My camera's like, I'm not cheating on her. What are we doing?
Nobody puts students in a corner. More about
oh my gosh. This is from Oriza.
I think they went overboard a little bit on the wrapping.
This is the Sunkissed Baked Opaline highlighter.
Oh, wow.
There's the unit carton. So that is the highlighter. Beautiful kind of light champagne shade. This thing is not wanting to cooperate today. There we go. Sorry, guys. Alright, so far, makeup, our Aceology lip mask, which technically could be makeup if you wanted it to be.
Well, there's something special about this.
Okay. This is the Ren Radiance Glow and Protect Serum. And it actually says this is the... This is the world's first tube and reclosable break-off nozzle made with recycled aluminum. That's pretty neat, y'all. Did you get it? Were you able to get it up close?
I think so.
There we go.
Oh, there we go. I must not have been able to.
It doesn't like us, y'all. And Ren, as y'all know, is a pretty nice skincare brand. That looks like it.
It is a eye cream, 2020 eye cream.
Okay. That's by Verify.
Oh, good lord.
There we go.
There we go.
Hey. Look, we're new at this, guys. First time.
It's my first time. Daddy doesn't let me drive the car much.
So, Ren Skincare, the Glow and Radiance Protection. We have the Aceology Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask. I'm going to put this on my nightstand. We have the Verify 2020 Eye Cream, the Oriza Highlighter, and the Lucky Chick Palette. I think that's a well-curated, you know, assortment of things. Yeah. I'd be happy to have that in my paid for box, for sure.
And it all looks really cool. Like, the colors are all there.
And our BoxyCharm. While we're getting in here, I hope you guys had a fantastic holiday season. I hope you had an amazing Christmas. We're obviously going to be posting this in the month of December still because, y'all know, I like to get my video up as quickly as I can possibly get it up, y'all. If I can get the box open. And obviously we have the same, the Glow Your Soul. This will typically give us deets for the upcoming month. And it'll say save the dates, February 1st through February 3rd, build your box and your add-ons. Also, do not forget the 1st through the 3rd, you guys, of January. Going to make your choices, so do not forget that. Everything is bundled inside. Already seeing some good shit, y'all.
It's all full-size stuff.
First up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen, which I've actually wanted to try. I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh. SPF of 50 as well. I'm super stoked. I kind of hope I get this in my pay for bag too. Cute. Cute packaging. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited about this.
You're gonna be doing some editing on this one.
Look, they already know. Alright, next up is something from Context Culture. This is the Dual Lip Pencil in the shade
black?
Desert Plains and Starbreaker. Oh, that's pretty neat. They look to be more like cool toned, kind of like grungy taupey shades. I am not going to open these because we know if I'm not going to use something, I'll pass it along to you guys, and I'm unsure if I'm going to keep that. But so far we have skincare and liner. Then we have the Rodial, the Mascara XXL Extreme Lash Maximizer. And I will actually look up and see what the wand looks like on this. Again, if I don't think I'm going to use it, I'm not going to open it up to the air. Next up, something from Laura Mercier, y'all. Look, we are starting off the new year with a bang. This is the Caviar Stick in the shade Forbidden Rose. And if you know, you know, Laura Mercier is a very, very prestigious brand.
That's a cool container.
That is pretty. It feels heavy and stuff too. It feels nice and weighted. I'm excited about the mascara. I don't normally keep eyeshadow sticks. But that is a beautiful, deep, like, bronzy shade, so I might keep that. Again, I'm not going to open it just yet, just in case. Okay. Look, this is a banger, y'all. And then last but not least, Paradox Volume Blow Dry Spray. Instant Root Lift and Mega Volume. I do not need any volume in my hair.
Speak for yourself.
So I will put this to the side. I'll gift it to my brother.
Yeah, I could use a little volume over here.
I'll gift it to him. He can have it. Alright, so we had the volume spray, skincare product. We had the Caviar Stick from Laura Mercier. This may be a new launch as far as that shade. I have not seen that shade in anything. Our Context Culture Dual Lip Liner. And the Rodial Mascara. I think that is also a really well curated box. And again, $30 you guys for the entire thing. I'm almost positive this is about a $35 retail price. So, just saying. That is it, beauties. Let me know. I've filmed way too damn much this month. Oh wait, does that say? Oh, that does have the Lucky Chick thing on it. Yep. We can read up on the Lucky Chick palette, you guys. Junior can read up on that for us.
It is a Lucky Chick Daydreams eyeshadow palette. Jillian Firestone, the Senior Director of Merchandising, says it, I love the great neutral smoky eye, and this palette delivers with 9 shades. I can create so many different looks, and I love to double the metallic topper shades as a highlighter, not to mention the beautiful and clean formula. Okay, that sounds great. And of course, obviously if I'm not going to use this, you guys will see it down the line in future giveaways and stuff like that. Y'all know how I like to do things. Yeah, that's it. I think I like this. I like the variation here. I think we're starting off with a bang. I'm ready for the first, so y'all keep an eye out for your choice products and stuff like that. Thank you, Junior, for joining me. Thank you for letting me join you.
I always have a good time. Thank you, beauties, for joining us. I will let my brother sign off.
And this is the day after Christmas, so I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful New Year's. And the best thing to say is be your own best beautiful.
Bye, beauty.
Bye, beauties.
Yay!
Love you.
Love you too.